Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable, but many people don't pay much attention to it. Even though it looks like lettuce, it actually belongs to the same family as broccoli, radishes, and Brussels sprouts. Cabbage comes in different shapes and colors, including red, purple, white, and green. Its leaves can be smooth or crinkled. People have been growing cabbage for thousands of years, and it is used in many dishes like sauerkraut, kimchi, and coleslaw. It is also packed with important vitamins and minerals. In this video, you'll discover 5 surprising health benefits of cabbage, all backed by science. Inflammation isn't always bad. Your body uses inflammation to fight infections and help heal injuries. This short-term response is normal and necessary. However, long-term inflammation can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammatory bowel disease. Cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that may help lower chronic inflammation. A 2014 study found that young adults who ate more cruciferous vegetables had lower levels of certain inflammation markers in their blood. Another study with over 1,000 women showed that those who ate the most cruciferous vegetables had much lower inflammation than those who ate the least. This anti-inflammatory effect is likely due to antioxidants like sulforaphane and kaempferol found in cabbage and similar vegetables. Enjoying this video? Hit subscribe to stay updated with essential health tips and the latest updates on our channel. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is an important water-soluble vitamin that helps the body in many ways. For example, it's needed to make collagen, the protein that gives structure and flexibility to the skin and is essential for bones, muscles, and blood vessels. A diet rich in vitamin C is linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, although more research is needed to confirm its role in cancer prevention. Both green and red cabbage are great sources of vitamin C, with red cabbage having significantly more. 1 cup of chopped red cabbage provides 56% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, the same amount found in a small orange. If you want to support your digestive health, cabbage is a great choice because it's packed with fiber. Cabbage contains insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps keep things moving in the digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements. It's also rich in soluble fiber, which helps increase the number of good bacteria in your gut. These bacteria, like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, use fiber as their main fuel and play important roles in protecting your immune system and producing essential nutrients like vitamins K2 and B12. Eating more cabbage is a simple way to keep your digestive system healthy and working well. Red cabbage is packed with powerful compounds called anthocyanins, which give it its bright purple color. Anthocyanins are plant pigments that belong to the flavonoid family. Many studies suggest that eating foods high in anthocyanins may lower the risk of heart disease. In a 2013 study with 93,600 women, those who ate more anthocyanin-rich foods had a lower risk of heart attack. Another review of 15 studies found that people who ate more flavonoids had a significantly lower risk of dying from heart disease. Increasing your intake of anthocyanins can also help lower blood pressure and LDL, bad cholesterol. Since inflammation plays a big role in heart disease, the anti-inflammatory properties of anthocyanins may help protect your heart. With over 36 types of potent anthocyanins, cabbage is an excellent food for heart health. High blood pressure affects over 1 billion people worldwide and increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. While doctors often recommend reducing salt intake, recent research shows that increasing potassium in your diet is just as important for lowering blood pressure. Potassium is a key mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. It helps the body get rid of excess sodium through urine and relaxes blood vessel walls, which lowers blood pressure. Red cabbage is a good source of potassium, providing 9% of the daily recommended intake in a 2-cup serving. Adding more potassium-rich cabbage to your diet is a tasty way to lower high blood pressure and keep it in a healthy range. We hope you're feeling inspired to add more cabbage to your meals and take advantage of its many health benefits. From supporting digestion to keeping your heart healthy, cabbage truly is a powerhouse vegetable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier lifestyle. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to include cabbage in your diet. See you in the next video.